beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm super excited today to be hopping on with the best skincare products of 2021. Beauties, I have found so many amazing skincare products in 2021 that I'm so excited to bring into 2022 with me. And these are repurchases. These are absolute loves. I don't think I have ever been so lucky to find so many amazing skincare products and beauty products that have just literally transformed my skin. Just at home, I have not been to the Medi Spa. I have not had any other skincare treatments. I haven't had any laser treatments. I've just been using these products and these skincare products. I've been using these masks and things that I'm going to show you today, and they have truly transformed my skin like I cannot believe. So that's why I'm so happy to be able to share them with you today. I have been using them all throughout 2021, and a lot of these I actually used up, and I'm on my third, even fourth bottle already. That's how much I love them. So I can't wait to share them with you, beauties, and hopefully you'll love them as well as much as I do. So beauties, the first product that I'm going to show you is not technically a product, but it might as well be. It is just that amazing. It has literally transformed my skin. And so let me go ahead and show it to you. This silk pillowcase from Lily Silk. Beauties, I cannot tell you how incredible this silk pillowcase is. I have tried so many silk pillowcases in the past, but there is nothing like the Lily Silk. It is the silkiest, it's the softest, it's the ultimate in comfort. I started using my Lily Silk pillowcase in 2021, and I truly cannot believe the beauty boosting results of this silk pillowcase. It's made out of mulberry silk, and it is a hypoallergenic material. So because it's hypoallergenic, it's going to be gentle on your skin. It's going to help you have less breakouts. Because it's so soft and so silky, you're going to have less irritation on your skin and on your hair. Not only is this amazing for your skin, but it also is incredible for your hair because it helps to prevent breakage and frizz and messing your hair up at night. It's so silky that your hair just glides on top of it and you just sleep like a dream. And I'm really excited because I am partnering with Lily Silk on this portion of today's video, and I truly though could not love Lily Silk pillowcases more. The mulberry silk that Lily Silk uses, they don't use harsh chemicals or harsh toxins that are going to irritate your skin in any way. So if you have sensitive skin like I do, I have super sensitive skin, it's going to prevent any irritations on your skin. I used to have so much irritation until I started using my Lily Silk pillowcase, and it is truly a skincare game changer. It's also cool to the touch, and it stays cool throughout the night. So if you're like me, I like to be a little bit on the cooler side. If you experience night sweats, this is definitely going to help to cool down your body and help you get that amazing beauty sleep. And because they use this amazing mulberry silk, it absorbs less moisture. Like a traditional cotton pillowcase absorbs a lot of moisture, it winds up drying out your skin and your hair. But the Lily Silk is made out of the most incredible mulberry silk, and so it doesn't rob your skin of the moisture, and it's not taking the moisture out of your hair, so your skin and your hair is going to be less dry. I also love how this Lily Silk pillowcase keeps my hair from getting frizzy. So if you get a blowout, if you straighten your hair, or if you just want your hair to stay sleek, definitely by using the Lily Silk pillowcase, your hair is going to stay sleek. Your style that you've done to your hair, your blowout, is just going to last so much longer because this is so non-irritating. It's so frictionless. This surface is so soft and so smooth, so it just glides over your hair and there's no irritation, there's no friction on your hair or your skin. Also, because it's so soft and so silky, it's preventing creasing on my face, so I'm having less wrinkles, I'm waking up to less creases. My skin is totally creaseless now when I wake up. I used to wake up with deep creases and lines in my face. It would take all day for them to go away, but if at all. But now with my Lily Silk, they're gone. So that's why I couldn't wait to recommend this for best of skincare, even though it's not technically skincare, but it's just such an amazing beauty product. The Lily Silk pillowcase is truly an anti-aging must-have. If you want to keep your skin looking plumped, glowing, moisturized, hydrated, not dehydrated, the Lily Silk pillowcase is super anti-aging. So you just cannot believe the benefits that this has for your skin, for your hair, and also for helping you to get a better night's sleep and that beauty sleep, and also just feel amazing when you get a good night's sleep. The Lily Silk does all that. It's absolutely incredible. It's also machine washable, so it's super easy to wash it. You don't have to take it to the dry cleaner or things like that. And I'm also wearing my Lily Silk top today, which I just picked up. This also feels incredible. I just love wearing Lily Silk. I have the silk pajamas, which I love as well. They also do have bras, which I just purchased one and I am so in love with it. You sleep so good. The material feels so good on your skin. I also just picked up this beautiful headband from them, which also feels so soft and so silky. And then this, of course, is my Lily Silk top, which just feels incredible. I love wearing their clothing. They have so many different options in terms of blouses, and like I mentioned earlier, the pajamas are a dream. So I truly could not love Lily Silk more, and I will have all their information down below so you beauties can check it out for yourself. I highly recommend the silk pillowcase, especially for skincare, for anti-aging. So it's just a dream. It truly is. It's truly a skincare game changer. So I'll have everything, like I said, linked down below for Lily Silk. And let me jump into the next skincare product of 2021 that I absolutely love. So beauties, a lot of these products that I'm going to show you today are in no particular order. I'm not going to show them in the order that I use them or things like that. I'm not going to start with cleanser. But let me jump into these here that were just total game changers. These are products that I just don't want to be without. I don't want to trade these up. I don't want to switch these out for another. Now, this totally took me by surprise. I have tried so many products. I've been a skincare junkie for probably 20 years. I've been a skincare junkie since I came out the womb. I am so in love with this skincare product that I can't believe how much I love it. This is my third bottle now. This is the Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Retinol Fusion PM, and this is a night serum. It's a pure and potent retinol, but it's not irritating to your skin whatsoever. It's a dream. It's a dream because I really can't wear, or I really can't use regular retinol cream. I had gotten back into it. I had used it a few years ago and I loved it. My skin peeled. It was phenomenal. My pores shrunk, but then I stopped using it, and then recently I got back into it, and it was too harsh or something for my skin. It was very irritating and my skin looked actually horrible. I just couldn't deal with it. But I'm so happy though that I am able to use this retinol from Peter Thomas Roth. I'm sure it's a more gentle version than the prescription strength, and that's why I get the retinol benefits, but it's not too harsh. And I just feel like when I use this, my skin just looks so incredible. I wake up in the morning, I use it at night, I wake up in the morning and my skin just looks so phenomenal. It's looking so much more plumped. I feel like my pores are reduced, and I feel like it is taking away any wrinkles. So I noticed a difference when I was using this, and then I stopped. I saw a huge difference and I was like, oh my god, I better order that again. So I went ahead and placed another order. Then my skin went back to looking the way I like, plumped, rejuvenated, no wrinkles, no less pores. And so I was just like, wow, this product is doing it. Because I use so many products, sometimes it's hard to tell, but it was definitely this product, because once I ran out, the benefits were gone. I started looking more dull, larger pores, my texture was coming back, but then I use this again and it goes away. So now I am on my third bottle. So I can tell you this stuff is amazing. It does sell out very quickly, so if you want to pick it up, sometimes you have to get on the waiting list for it. So then they email you when it comes back in stock. I'll have everything linked out below. But another serum that I absolutely love, and I do kind of trade these up, so I'll do this like 3 or 4 nights a week, and then the other nights I am still in love. I've been using this for years, the Lancome Genifique. I love this so much. I just see such a huge difference. I love it. I've purchased so many bottles of this and I don't want to be without it anymore, especially when I mix it up with the Peter Thomas Roth. So I do this like 3 or 4 nights, and then this the other nights, and I just love the effect. I just love putting these on at night, one of these, and I just cannot believe the results of my skin. I love it. And I haven't had any skincare treatments. I used to get facials and all kinds of treatments, laser treatments, and I haven't done any of that, and I feel like my skin looks better than ever. So I'm really happy with those products. They are a little bit pricey, but the results are so phenomenal, and you can use a small amount. You don't have to use a lot, and you can really make it last a long time for you. So another product that I have been on forever, if you've watched my skincare videos before, I'm not gonna pretend that I'm using something different. I am using the same thing it's been like 5 years now, and at least 5 years, and I have tried so many different ones. Sometimes I run out of this and I try other ones, but there is nothing like this. This is the Lumiere Firm Reach Moisturizing Eye Cream, and I have tried so many different eye creams. I've tried to dupe this. I've tried to purchase ones that are a little bit less expensive and, you know, trying to, you know, maybe save a bit, but this one is worth every penny. It's unbelievable what it will do for your eyes, especially if you have hooded eyes. This is a godsend because it keeps my hooding in place. If I don't use this, my hooding gets very saggy, kind of crepey, and I'll get wrinkles under my eyes, the whole 9 yards. This does it all. It's keeping the hooding in place, it's keeping them firm, it keeps the under eyes brightened. So if you have under eye circles, this is a dream. It just takes away the darkness under your eyes. It's just unbelievable. It kind of even fills in the hollowing. If you have hollowing under your eyes, this will do that too. You know, it's still very subtle, but it's a huge difference. I'm not going to say, you know, if you got injections in your face, of course you'd be much more plumped underneath, but I'm not really, I don't want to do that. So I'm so happy with the results though. I could not be more happy with the results that I get from this eye cream. This is worth every penny because it is a little bit pricey too, but it's worth every penny. And again, you know, you can make a little bit go a long way. So then beauties, I cannot tell you how much I love this. This is a mask. It's an oxygen facial mask. You only need to put this on for 5 minutes and your skin looks incredible. This is from Exfoliating, and this is, again, this is like my 3rd bottle. I love this so much. I would love to use this every day if I have the time, and a lot of times I do have the time because I'll put it on, like I said earlier, it only takes 5 minutes. So I'll put this on and brush my teeth or things like that. It foams up and then you wash it off and your skin looks and feels incredible. Your skin feels so clean, your pores are reduced. If you have oily skin like me, I have oily skin, and it just, sometimes it just feels kind of gnarly. My skin just feels gross, and I put this on and I'm like, it feels incredible. It just makes your skin feel so good. And if you do your makeup and put this on before your makeup comes out amazing. A few people had asked me, what am I using? I had shown it in a little video, like a TikTok type of thing, and everybody was like, what is that? It's always this. If I have the time, and I usually will make time, because even if it's 3 minutes, you get benefits. You don't need to leave this on very long to get insanely amazing skincare benefits. Your skin will look amazing in minutes when you use this. So I'm so happy I found this. And then another mask that I absolutely love is this one from Origins. This is, again, my 3rd bottle. So everything lasts me about 3 times a year. I'm purchasing primarily these products. This is another one I purchased 3 times this past year in 2021. I'm definitely taking all of these into 2022, but this is the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with rose clay. It's incredible. The only thing is that this mask, you do leave it on for at least 10-20 minutes. But this one just makes your skin feel incredible, so deep cleansed, your pores are refined, your skin texture is so smooth, and it's just amazing. This one I love to use as well, but I don't use this every day. But this one you can use every day. I've used this every day. I mean, if you have oily skin, I'm not sure if you have dry skin if you would want to use this every day, although it's not drying whatsoever. It's very gentle. It's very gentle. This one is a little bit more aggressive kind of when you wash it off, but this one gives incredible results. And like I've mentioned in previous videos, I love to use something like this, a really deep cleansing mask, and then you put on your serums and they just are that much more effective. They're just like 20 times more effective. They go so deep into your skin and just really absorb all the benefits. Your skin is absorbing all the benefits of the serums. So when I can, I love to do that. I don't always have time for that, but if I can, like at least once a week, I'll definitely love to do something like that, especially at night. I like to do it at night, then let everything seep in and, you know, get a really good night's sleep with my lily soap. I've also loved in 2021 my Kate Somerville. This is the Exfoliate, and I love to use this once or twice a week. Actually, once a week is good, even though I'm very oily, but this is very powerful. So I do use this about once a week, and it just totally transforms your skin. The enzymes work into your skin, and it's almost like getting a glycolic peel or something like that if you went to a med spa. This is like an at-home peel. But it doesn't peel your skin, it just feels like it. You just get the most amazing results with this in only 2 minutes. You put it on and you leave it on, you feel it working into your skin, you feel the enzymes working, and then you wash it off and your skin is just, there's no words. Your skin feels incredible. It feels so poreless and just so much more brightened, and it's just really amazing. It's very powerful though, so I only use this once, maybe twice a week. And then finally, beauties, I just have to mention this again. I am still loving this so much, and I'll just put it together. I'll show you how I use it together. This is the micro needle from Aura. And so I love using this, but I love to use it with this ampule. So this is a firming ampule from Babor. And let me go ahead and kind of show you how I do it. They come in these little glass containers. You break it off and you put a little bit on your skin at a time. And then you take your micro needle pen, and I have mine here, and you just kind of work it into your skin. Oh my gosh, you wake up the next day and your skin is just so plumped, so rejuvenated. And you know, I'm not really sure because I always use these two together. I'm gonna actually try tonight, just use this on its own and see if this gives the results, because I'm not sure what, if it's this product or it's this product, but together they're just a dream come true. They're a dream couple, a dream marriage. They're amazing. And I gotta try this though on its own. So tonight I'm gonna try this on its own and I'll get back to you, because these little ampules from Babor are just amazing. This is the 3D firming. They also have a few different ampules. So I'm gonna try that tonight though, guys, and I'll get back to you. But this is a dream. Together, you're just like, OMG, your skin looks incredible. Seriously incredible. And it's very, very gentle. There's no, although if you don't use the ampule, it would probably hurt. But you put the ampule on and it glides, and it's very silky, and it just glides and it works the product into your skin, and it doesn't really hurt. But if you didn't use the ampule, it probably would be a little bit painful. And then beauties, I'll just mention this really quick. I just saw this. I did bring it with me, so let me show it to you. This is from Natura Bissay. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but this is a CNC vitamin souffle mask, and this product is so good. Now this product, I wanted to tell you guys what I do with it. It's a vitamin C mask. It's very thick, and it's very, very thick. There's no other word to describe it. But I like to put this on at night sometimes over my serums, and my skin just looks incredible when I wake up in the morning. And this will be a dream if you have dry skin or irritated skin. It feels incredible. But I do take a little bit of it and I mix in a little bit of hyaluronic acid, because this is so thick that I like to make it almost like more, you know, break it up a bit. And then I put it on my skin and I wake up the next morning and my skin is like, my skin looks incredible. And so I love doing that. It does take, and you know, it's a little bit of an extra minute, but it's the ultimate kind of nighttime moisturizer. It feels incredible. Oh my God, it smells so good. And they say, you know, you're supposed to use it and wash it off after like 10-20 minutes, but I like to use it at night, and I leave it on all night, and the next morning I wake up and I'm just like, thank you, Jesus. I'm just like, thank you. My skin looks so good. So it's just a little extra treat you can do for your skin, or you could do it all the time, every day. If your skin is really dry, you might really love this, because it's very moisturizing. It feels like a dream on your skin. It feels so good. I love this. So I just wanted to recommend that as well. So beauties, those are my picks for the best skincare products of 2021. Let me know down below your skincare favorites. Let me know also if you've tried the Lily Silk pillowcase. Isn't it a dream? Isn't it incredible? Let me know down below if you've tried it too. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.